We installed a reverse camera with a mirror mounted monitor, and that's on this Fiat Ducato Campervan. So if you have a look at it, it's an extra long wheelbase version, so it's quite a long vehicle. Even though it looks like a normal panel van, but it's not, it's actually been converted to a full camper van. So let's have a look at the camera itself. So if you come over here. So what the customer's opted for is which I think is a cleaner solution really, is a brake light replacement camera. So where the original brake light used to be, we've taken it out and put one that has a camera moulded in with it. Now the customer already had a camera put on that, and if you have a look just above it, there's like a little camera that's installed. Yeah, it wasn't giving him a decent picture, so he wanted something a little bit better than what he had. But however, we discussed about removing it. It's been screwed into the bodywork of the vehicle, and there's a hole made for the cable. So by taking it out, you've got a few holes. So the customer just asked us just to leave the original camera that's in there and mount our one in there. So he's basically pushed the other one camera up. But, you know, we've got no option with that. But he just wanted something a bit decent. It wasn't actually that great, the little camera that he had. So it's just a clean solution. And if you have a look, it's just it's a full camper conversion. Well, let me just show you the front monitor. So if you have a look, it basically clips on the original monitor, and the customer wanted it ignition based. So when you turn the ignition on, it'll come on, as you can see. Now we can do it by putting it onto reverse, so it only comes on when you put it into reverse. But the customer wants to put a bike rack on there, put his bikes on there, and he could basically see it as he's driving along, which makes sense, to be honest with you. But if it's annoying, you can always turn it off. So even though it's on all the time, the ignition's on, all you have to do is push a button there and it switches it off. So if you're at night and you just didn't want that on, it's glaring on you, very simple, turning it on and off like that, and that's it. So that's a reverse camera with a mirror mounted monitor installed on this Fiat Ducato motorhome.